Hey folks, a warm day across the valley and a breezy day once again. Winds were gusting to over 30 this afternoon, beginning to lay down a little bit now. Here's where we are temperature-wise in the 80s, and dew points are in the 60s. So they're up a little bit. It's not terribly humid. We'll put the average on the muggy meter of about 65. So we're kind of up in this range. For a while it was down here, but it's coming back up. And we'll continue to rise until our next front comes in during the pre-dawn hours on Thursday or late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. That'll lower the humidity again. Until then, we have low temperatures like this in the low to mid 70s. 73 at the beach, 72 Weslaco, 72 in Rio Grande City, and then highs like these, mid to upper 80s, with the southeast wind continuing 10 to 25 during the daytime tomorrow. So another warm and breezy afternoon across the area tomorrow. That's about normal for this time of year. The normal high is 87. You're going to be awfully close to that tomorrow, probably right on that on Wednesday. Thursday, after the front goes through, what it does, it's like the one last week that just dries the air out. When you dry the air out, it gets a little warmer rather than cooler, so go up into the 90s behind the front. But with the dry air mass, the nighttime lows get a little bit cooler, so you kind of make up for it there. Look at the clouds that have been thick overhead today. There was some sunshine in the lower valley early, but boy, even now, everybody's kind of socked in with those clouds. And future track suggests those clouds will be here most of the night, most of the day tomorrow as well. Every once in a while, a little green dot shows up on that map. Suggestion is there could be a brief, isolated, very, very light shower tomorrow, but the kind that's probably not measurable and not even a wipers on kind of thing. Just let it go and it'll dry out pretty quickly. So anything happens tomorrow will be brief. Wednesday, I think for the most part, it's just another partly cloudy day. Most of the day breezy again, but it's Wednesday night into Thursday. We see showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two show up. Again, like last week, to be one of those we're going to have to watch, and late night, early in the morning, could be a shower or thunderstorm. Most, if not all, the activity stays north of us. We're going to be in the edge again. We'll watch and see. Maybe some thunder and lightning, but then it clears out behind it. So tomorrow's mainly dry. Wednesday late, there's the key word. Not during the daytime Wednesday, but Wednesday night into early Thursday is our best chance for a shower thunderstorm along and with that front. To the north of us, temperatures in the 70s all the way up into Dallas, 60 in Dalhart, though, Oklahoma City at 67. We're not alone in the cloud cover. The system kind of ramping up for what's to come this week as this stuff pushes eastward across the state. You wait for it. Eventually, a front moves into the state and pushes southward. But more than the front, it's an upper air disturbance that's going to push into this very soupy air mass and help to trigger showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday. And again, maybe as far south as we are. Front goes through that, dries things out. Here is your risk of severe weather. We're marginal, which is 1 on the scale of 1 to 5, but that means there's a chance for strong to severe storms, and marginal means isolated severe storms are possible. Not likely, but possible. Up to the north of us, San Antonio, scattered severe storms are possible, so a little more active in that part of the state. We just have to watch and see what's going to end up down here. At the coast down here, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots. The bay is choppy. UV is extreme. Small craft operators urged to use caution. There's a moderate risk of rip currents. There's a small craft advisory that goes away at 7 o'clock. So for tonight, 72, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and rather mild southeast winds. Then tomorrow back up to 86, mostly cloudy, windy, and warm. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. After that front goes through, Thursday turns out nice. Friday, Saturday, very nice again. A little more humid by Sunday, and by Monday, the clouds are back once again. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.